Hello and welcome to our video on 5 nighttime skincare routine steps for healthy skin. Taking care of your skin is important, especially at night, as it is the time when your skin rejuvenates and repairs itself. In this video, we will be sharing with you the top 5 nighttime skincare routine steps that you can follow to achieve healthy, glowing skin.
Step 1. Cleansing. The first step in any skincare routine is to cleanse your skin. This helps to remove any dirt, makeup, or impurities that may have accumulated on your skin during the day. Use a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type and massage it onto your face in circular motions for at least 30 seconds. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a clean towel. Step 2. Exfoliation. Exfoliating your skin once or twice a week helps to remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and improve your skin's texture. Use a mild exfoliant and gently massage it onto your skin for about a minute, avoiding the eye area. Rinse it off with water and pat your skin dry. Step 3. Toning. Toning helps to balance the pH level of your skin and prepare it for the next steps in your skincare routine. Use a toner that suits your skin type and apply it to your face with a cotton pad or your hands, focusing on areas that tend to be oily or have large pores. Step 4. Treatment. This step involves using a treatment product that addresses your specific skin concerns, such as acne, wrinkles, or hyperpigmentation. Apply the treatment product to your face and let it absorb for a few minutes before moving on to the next step. Step 5. Moisturizing. The last and most important step in any skincare routine is to moisturize your skin. This helps to keep your skin hydrated, soft, and supple. Use a moisturizer that suits your skin type and apply it evenly to your face and neck. Gently massage it using upward motions until it is fully absorbed. That's it. These are the top 5 nighttime skincare routine steps that you can follow for healthy, glowing skin. Remember to always choose skincare products that suit your skin type and concerns, and to be consistent in your routine. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving the beautiful, healthy skin you deserve. Thanks for watching.